line AB is having length of about 80 mm. Point A is given. What is the data available for A? A is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. And point B's information is available. Point B is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Let us draft the whole problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draft a reference line, and after drafting a reference line I need to mention that reference line's condition, that is XY. Now I'll draft the point A's position. It is 10 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP. So I'll be drafting it over here like this. This particular line is going to represent locus of A dash, and this line is going to represent locus of A. This is representing locus of A dash, and this one is representing locus of A. And we need to mention position of A dash and A also. So this point, if it is called A dash, we need to draft a vertical line which will intersect the locus of A. वो locus of A से intersect करता है, जहाँ intersection हुआ उस point को बोलेंगे A. What is the distance for placement of this data? The distance which is mentioned is like this: 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. Kindly follow the same draft. Okay, you need to follow the same condition, same configuration. I'll extend this line, mention X over here. Now I need to take position of point B also. So I'll be going for drafting of position of point B. तो मैं इस reference line से, as the data suggests that point B is 30 mm above HP, I'll be going for 30 mm over here for presentation of data, and 40 mm in front of VP, so I'll be going for 40 mm position over here. Now I'll be drafting the locuses, then I'll be mentioning the other conditions. So I'll be drafting locus of point B over here, position B, and locus of B dash over here. So this one is representing locus of B dash, and this one is representing locus of B. At which distance it had been drafted? It had been drafted being from the reference this much distance away. So you need to see the dimension also: 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Okay. Now we are having another data available, which is the true length of line AB, which is 80 mm. So I need to take 80 mm on the compass. Compass पे 80 mm measure करूँगा, and I need to draft projection from A dash. A dash से locus of B dash पे एक intersection arc को intersect करवाता हूँ. Arc length is 80 mm. So this is going to be the true length. What we represent is true length of AB, which is 80 mm, and the point which is defining intersection is going to be called B1 dash. In similar manner, I need to draft true length in plan also. For that, I am going for position of compass at A. I'll be making an arc on locus of B, and the position is going to be called B1. I need to join AB1, so I'm joining AB1, which is representing the true length. So this is also the true length 80 mm. This true length is presented in plan. You need to memorize this stuff. A dash B1 dash is true length in elevation, and AB1 is true length in plan. Okay. Now let us draft the whole projection. How we are transferring the projection? We are transferring the projection by a straight vertical line. If we start from B in elevation, we have to draft a straight line till A in plan. A in plan means locus of A. So how we should draft it? We should go ahead like this. From B1 dash, I'll be drafting a line which will go up to the locus of A. and after that I have to take arc length of about this much, and I need to make an arc which will intersect the locus of B. यहाँ से arc कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे which will intersect the locus of B. जहाँ भी intersection हुआ उस point को बोला जाएगा B point, and we need to join AB. AB को join करना है, and that AB is going to represent the plan length of line AB. So this is the plan length. You need to measure that plan length also. So it is going to be about 76 mm. PL is going to be 76 mm. Now we have to go for same drafting criteria from the top view. Top view में जो true length है वहाँ से हमें start करना है. So we need to go for this one. B1 पे चले जाइए. B1 is indicating B in plan. वहाँ से straight line construct करना है. कहाँ तक जाएगा? A in elevation तक जाएगा. So what is A in elevation? It is locus of A dash. So I am drafting a line which is going up to A in elevation, up to A dash. Then I have to take radius about that much, and I need to make an arc which will intersect locus of B dash. और ये जहाँ भी intersect कर रहा है, that particular component is going to be called B dash. और ये जो A dash B dash रहा, that is the elevation length. और elevation length कितना मिल रहा है हमें? It is about 73 mm. So according to our criteria, we need to go for certain data, which is true length, elevation length, plan length, theta, phi, alpha, beta, and end projector distance. Among them, we have already had the data of true length. We are able to find elevation length. We are able to find true length. Now we need to check for the angles. So the angle of true length with the horizontal plane is going to be called theta. And what is the theta in our case? So you need to place an angle protector over here, and you need to identify. That is about 20 degrees. So theta is about 20 degrees. And phi, we need to measure it for the true length in plan. So this is going to be called phi. और phi कितना मिल रहा है? You need to check it with the angle protector. It is about 25 degrees. Phi is about 25 degrees. This one is 20. This one is 25. Now you need to measure alpha and beta. What is alpha? Alpha is angle of elevation length with the reference. So alpha कितना मिल रहा है? You need to check it with the angle protector. It is about 25 degrees. So we are placing alpha equal to 25 degrees. And यहाँ पे check करिए beta. What is beta? Beta is angle of plan length with the reference. This is beta. तो beta कितना मिल रहा है? Let us check. Beta is about 30 degrees. Okay, and now we need to check one more parameter, like just like A dash A, as A dash A is on a same vertical line, in similar manner we are going to have B dash B also on a same vertical line. जैसे A dash A एक straight vertical line पे, वैसे ही B dash B भी एक straight vertical line पे रहेगा. And the distance between the line of A dash A and line of B dash B, this much of distance, is going to be called end projector distance. ये जो distance है उसे बोला जाता है end projector distance. और वो कितना मिल रहा है हमें? Let us check and verify. It is about 69 mm. So had we got theta? Yes, we have got phi, we have got alpha, we have got beta, and we have got end projector distance. If all data is clearly available, then your problem is right, problem is true, and you need to mention all details. With true length कितना है, elevation length कितना है, plan length कितना है, and projector distance कितना है, theta कितना है, phi कितना है. You need to mention all details. I hope you have understood it well.